guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another ponytail video. You know, I'm always out here with the 10 to 15 minutes hairstyle because I am not a hairstylist for one, and two, I am very lazy, so I'm not gonna be sitting down for hours doing no hair. Also, I always tell you guys, if there's a hairstyle on my channel that you see me do, it is easy, and that simply means that you can do it too. If I do it, you can do it too, because if it was hard, me would I give up. I don't really like combing my hair, so I'm not gonna put that much effort into it. Once you see me do it, it's pretty much super easy, and you can do it too. So I started out with my hair pre-stretched. I had 4 braids in it, so yeah, I'm just combing it out, and then I'm going to use the Let's Jam, and I used the orange cover one. And I didn't use gel because gel, it will like revert my curls. Gel make my hair curly, so I decided to use the jam instead, and I add a little water just so I can get rid of the flyaways. But I didn't want to use gel because I know that it would have made it like curly and then start shrink up on me, and I didn't want that. And of course, to get this braided ponytail done, you have to slip back your natural hair first. So that's what I'm doing, and you guys see me do a slip back like 3 to 4 times already on my channel, so I'm not gonna talk through this. I did a center part and then I just slick my hair back. So when I reach to the ponytail part, I'll come back. So the braiding here that I used was by Expression. Yeah, it's the Expression 3 times ultra pre-stretch braiding here, and it was 52 inches because I wanted my braid like super long, and I paid $9.99 for this at the beauty supply store. But if you search online, it's there for $4.99. So don't be like me, get it online if you have the time. So it came with 3 sections, and I only used 2. So I took each section and I sectioned it off into smaller portions, equal portions that is, because I did the feeding method. And for the feeding method, the hair that you are like sectioning off in the smaller portions, the portions should be equal. Honestly guys, like this was my first time doing the feeding method. Like this was my first time like even braiding hair with the braiding hair. So I just like I started out with my natural hair first, braiding my natural hair first, and then I added like one of the portions. But right here I just added and I hold it with my index finger and my thumb. So each time I place like the braiding here between my index finger and my thumb, and I just began like braiding like normal. And then I was kind of shocked, I ain't gonna lie. I was surprised. I didn't know that I could have done it, but I did it. This is why I'm telling you guys, if you see me doing it, you can do it. This is my first time ever trying it, and I think I did pretty well for my first time. No, if you are like a braider and you see that I'm doing something wrong or I could have done something better, please comment down below and let me know. Help a girl out, please. But it was my first time, and I really like don't know how to like explain it any further more than I add the hair between my index finger and my thumb, and I just braid like I was braiding like normally. That's it, like how I usually braid. That's what I did. So yeah, you guys can find videos like to teach you how to braid and all. That's just my little way of explaining it. And at the end I just added like a black elastic band. This is the same elastic that came on the braiding here. So yeah, that's what I added to the end, and I then went through with my razor comb and I kind of shaped the bottom of it. You guys will see that I shaped the bottom of it because it was kind of long, so I trimmed it a little bit. I didn't want to use the scissors because the scissors would have given it like a sharp cut, so I used the razor comb. So once I was finished with my braid and I secured it with the elastic band, I did went in with the scissors and like trimmed the flyaways that I had. I wasn't going anywhere, so I didn't feel like it was necessary for me to like water it. But if you're gonna go out and you want like your braid not to be stiff, I suggest that you hot water it. But I didn't do that off camera. I just went in with my Nairobi mousse and I added that to it. So this is the finished look, guys. I tried something for the first time and I like how it turned out. I really like when I try something new and turn out in my favor. So yes, I wish I had one of those viscose crunchies or VSCO. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but one of these. Yes, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys, later.